Hello everybody, welcome to another video. This is a really super fun one. Woo! So today I'm going to be following a Korean what I eat in a day. Now this is from the absolute legend of a woman, Jenim. I love her. Her vlogs are a very different style from mine. They're very calming, therapeutic, very aesthetic, what I strive to be in life, but I am not. She did a easy Korean recipes. Now, ages ago, like honestly probably a really long time ago, I ate Japanese food for the day and I looked up traditional recipes. If I'm doing a video where I look back in history or if I look at a culture's food, then it's really hard to like be able to actually directly get recipes. I don't know, it's just kind of hard. And then when she posted these easy Korean recipes, I was like, that is perfect, that's exactly what I need. Easy Korean recipes that I know are like foolproof. And I've been doing loads of research at the moment. I'm obsessed with watching people's vlogs from Seoul. I don't know what it is, but I just absolutely love it. I find, again, they're very aesthetic and I just really am vibing them, okay? So what I'm doing right now is I'm steaming some broccoli and I've got my brown rice cooking. She actually added the broccoli stem thing, which I don't mind because it actually tastes pretty good, as she said in the video. We're going to be following a Korean what I eat in day because quite frankly I love learning about other cultures' food, different food in history. To be honest with you, I think if I was in another life I would be a food historian, but I sucked at history at school because my brain just couldn't remember things. I just really struggled to remember certain bits of information. Trying to become a baker instead, that was my destiny, that was my path. So yesterday I went to a Korean supermarket in London called Osayo. I really don't want to butcher that, and I know I'm going to butcher pronunciation today, so apologies in advance. I'm giving it my best go. I really am trying, okay? Yeah, I went to Osayo to get some of the bits for today. I was going to go online, but then I thought, you know what? I love a trip to a supermarket that I've never been to before. Okay, I am going to Osayo. I don't know how you pronounce it, which is a Korean supermarket. Let's go. Particularly for dinner because I'm cooking for my whole family. We're all going to eat the Korean food together and it looks delicious. And I see for breakfast we've got our broccoli ready to steam and we've got our brown rice cooking, and then we need to cook an egg. Okay, I'm about to prepare the egg. The rice and the broccoli are ready. We do have to add a few things to the rice, however. Living on a hill means your eggs are never going to be uniform. They just slide. Slide to the right. Okay, so for breakfast we've got egg, broccoli, rice with sesame oil and soy sauce. Oh, I just did a poppy thing. I didn't think there would be any yolk popping in there. Look at that, I'm not even joking, I love cooking an egg. I am really excited to have this for breakfast because I'm really in a savoury mood this morning. And I feel like British breakfast is so different. They're literally like,
grab a cereal, go, get out the door, don't take time for breakfast.
From my research, Korean breakfast, they take their time, they don't rush. Yesterday I went on a hunt for the spoon Jenim has. That spoon is beautiful. I looked everywhere, the wooden spoon, and I couldn't find it. And I looked in all her videos and she didn't have a link to it. I couldn't find if it was like off Amazon or anything like that. I guess we're just gonna have to go for my chopsticks. I really wanted that spoon, man. The spoon. Oh, I'm obsessed with that spoon and I'm gonna find it. I am here for it. I personally love taking time for breakfast because I feel like in the morning, it just gives me some time to process and to switch on. But I've always been that way. Even at school, I would rather wake up half an hour early and take time for breakfast than rush out of the door having like a cereal bar. Okay, so what I'm doing now is I am marinating my chicken. She said the longer that you do it, the better, so I'm gonna leave it to marinate all afternoon. So this is what we got in Osayo. I don't know how to pronounce it. And this is, I'm gonna really butcher this and I don't want to. Doenjang. I think that's really, really wrong. Red pepper paste, thing, which you marinate with all the other stuff that I've just put in there. And I have no idea what this is going to be like. I'm worried it's going to be quite spicy, but that means my family are going to love it. They absolutely love a bit of spice. And then we mix it all together, and then we chop up our little chicken pieces, real nice and small. And I'm going to leave it in the tub for like the whole afternoon so it can get real nice. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It looks exactly like hers, so I'm very, very happy. Okay, everyone, it is nearly lunchtime, and for lunch, this one I'm really gonna butcher the name. Maybe I'll see on Google Translate how you say it.
doenjang jigae.
doenjang jigae. I can't do it and I just want to do it, do you know what I mean? So we're making that for lunch with a side of brown rice again. For the soup, I got this, which is soybean paste, I can say that, which I also got from Osayo. And I also got some dried anchovies, adding 10 of those, and the garlic and some of the soybean paste. Okay, so this is what the soybean paste looks like. And it actually smells exactly like the soup that I got on the Korean barbecue shop. Probably because it is exactly that. So with some minced garlic, anchovies. Okay, the anchovies are in there. We're gonna add our onion, and then we let it boil for a little bit, just a little bit. Guys, I've done this all wrong. I've added everything. I don't think we're supposed to add the soybean paste yet. Oh well, we're rolling with this apparently. But it's been boiling for a bit, and then she says to take the anchovies out. Okay, here is the soup, and the potatoes and onions are now translucent. So we're gonna add in the courgettes now. Do your thing, courgettes! Okay, now we are preparing the tofu. I look like a giant, don't I? It's time to add the tofu. It smells exactly like the soup I had at the Korean barbecue, and I'm pumped! Okay, here it is. Woohoo! Okay, here we have the soup. We're gonna add some spring onions. So we have our brown rice. It's really hot. And we've got our soup. Sorry, the washing machine's being really offensive right now. I think I paused it. So let's do a taste test. It is exactly like the one I had at that Korean barbecue. Oh my word. That is so good. Okay, so I've reheated the rice. I'm gonna do rice in the soup because we are wild. It just feels so nourishing and wholesome. It feels like it's doing you a lot of good, do you know what I mean? Incredible. Except it always dribbles down my chin. Don't know why. Okay, I just finished lunch. It was really, really good. I went back in for some more soup and rice because I was feeling a bit hungry, and I needed to make sure that I was full on that because we don't have any snacks. And I've got one little bowl full for tomorrow, which I'm really excited about. I don't know if you can reheat it actually. I presume you can. It is so weird how it moves though. Look, I'm not touching it, and it moves as if it's its own species. It's so weird. Why does it do that? Hello little bunnies. We're going to be preparing dinner now. It's 5 o'clock. Obviously we've had the chicken marinating. I won't lie, I have been snacking on some fruit because I was very hungry, and I saw a plum and I was like, that looks like a good plum, and then I had 2 more. Lettuce wraps, which is exactly what we had at the Korean barbecue place. So this is, and my family are going to be coming home, so I'm really excited for them to try it because I feel like it's going to be so good. It's been marinating for so long. This is just weird. It's such a big leaf. And with that, she actually posted recently Korean recipes with her mum, which was so wholesome and precious, and I loved it. And she made some broccoli sesame oil with sesame seeds on top, and I'm going to use the broccoli that I didn't eat for breakfast, and we have a courgette left over, so I'm just going to toast those in some sesame oil and add some sesame seeds as like a little side. I have a feeling that is going to be enough lettuce. So no! We lost 3 pieces! And again, we're going to top this with spring onions. Have on top, I do flipping love a spring onion. What is it about them that just really elevate a dish? So, the chicken smells really good, doesn't it?
Yep.
And we've got the rice on. I'm about to put, I think I'm going to turn the chicken down actually. And I'm about to put the courgette and broccoli on. So we've added our sesame oil, broccoli, courgette, brown rice, the chicken, which literally smells like everything good that my nostrils want to smell. So I do have normal sesame seeds, but yesterday from that supermarket I found black sesame seeds, and for some reason I just really felt like it was necessary to buy them. So I'm going to do black sesame seeds on the broccoli. Maybe I'll do a mix. Let's do a hybrid. Who said I couldn't? No one. I said I could, so here we go. This is it. This is real. This is everything. So we've got the chicken with the spring onions, the broccoli, sesame seeds, courgette situation, brown rice, and the lettuce wraps. So you're supposed to like have it like a little wrap. The broccoli and courgette was just because I needed to use it up. One.
Well, you didn't tell me that.
You're not supposed to like fully boat it. You just like crunch it around like that. Oh, that is yummy. I like that. Mum, what do you think?
That's very nice, very tasty.
What do you think in the lettuce wrap? I really like it with the lettuce. It gives like a crisp contrast into the like salty chicken. I really like it.
Where is it from?
Korea.
Where? Who? What?
YouTuber I watch. And her boyfriend is English and supports Liverpool.
Good man.
Yeah, he's always wearing Liverpool stuff. Like
We've got on well. You can come and do a painting with me.
They live in LA.
That's alright. When he's visiting, I'll host him.
How would you feel having fajitas with lettuce wraps instead of tortillas? That's like a weight loss thing that people do.
Makes sense.
Oh, you're into it now? And
No,
you
I'm not
converted to
into
the
it.
lettuce life?
No, I actually thought cabbage would be nice.
Cabbage?
Cabbage would have to be slightly
Cooked. Is this better than tofu?
Is that a question?
Rating out of 10.
8.
What could take it to a higher level?
I get a bit bored of just chicken in a dish.
There's not, there's so much variety there, Mum. Is that a joke? What would take it up to a 10?
Basmati rice.
A bit more spice.
Bit more crunchy.
Lettuce. Okay, so that is Korean what I eat in a day. I've thoroughly enjoyed it. I've loved literally all the recipes, and now I want to try more elaborate recipes. I've always wanted to make kimchi, like fermented kimchi. I've always wanted to, but I've been too scared. But now I've tried the easy recipes, I'm like, I can hack it. Anything, I'm gonna do it. One thing I would say is I was still a bit hungry after dinner, so I did have, basically I was filming another video, so I had one of the snacks in another video that I had filmed, because they don't appear to have pudding from all my research, which is wild and probably way better for you, and I probably should do that, but I just love pudding too much. So it's like at this point I don't know how I would stop. It was what I was brought up with, like it's what I've had since I was 3. I've always had pudding, so I don't really know how I'd stop that. But I hope you enjoyed, I enjoyed, and any recipes or other countries or places you want me to try, let me know. I've had a good time, I hope you have too.